Okay, I had somebody text us and say they're having a hard time finding the Vin Diesel item. Oh, I see. Okay, because they're seeing the image here. So if you come up here, you know, actually put in like a keyword, like if I get my phone to work, just like Vin or Fast and Furious, whatever you want. And the first one will pop up. There's the stainless steel one. There's the gold tone. It'll show you Fast and Furious. It's item number P027. There's a sales price $29.13. Retails almost 80 bucks on it. That's for pendant only, or you can add 18 all the way to a 30-inch chain. There's obviously a cost for the chain. It's like 10 bucks. And when you're ready, just click add to cart. If you have other items in here, you can exit out. I'll just get pendant only. Well, with a chain. I'm just getting rid of some of these extra items. There we go. I'll hit checkout. Show you a one-time discount code for some different items. It said no thanks. Bring you to the sales page. If you want to use PayPal, you just click here. Like it says right at the top, to use a credit card, scroll down, enter your information, click continue. Just come down here, put your name and address. When you hit continue, on the next page is when you can put in your credit card information. Hope that helps.